Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kartika, BSc B.Ed Max. In my channel, you are going to see 6th to 10th Max Tamil Nadu Board. Now, you are going to see Chapter 1 Relations and Functions of Class 10th. So, first exercise Cartesian product. If A and B are two non-empty sets, then the set of all ordered pairs A, B such that A belongs to A, B belongs to B is called the Cartesian product of A and B. It is denoted by A cross B. So, Cartesian product is nothing but you have to write the given set in ordered pairs. A comma B. Example 2 comma 3, 1 comma 7. Like that you have to write. So it is usually denoted by the symbol cross. A cross B. So its other name is the Cartesian product. Other name is cross product. So now we are going to see exercise 1.1. Find A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. So the given A set has element 2, minus 2 and 3. B set has 1, minus 4. First you are going to find A cross B. So A set you are having 2, minus 2 and 3. Cross B set you are having 1, minus 4. So now A cross B means just you have to write in ordered pairs. 2, 1, 2, minus 4. Next minus 2, 1, minus 2, 4. Next 3, 1 and 3, minus 4. So first element 2. So 2, 1. Again 2, minus 4. Next minus 2, 1, minus 2, minus 4. 3, 1, 3, minus 4. So after finding A cross B, you have to find A cross A. So here both the sets are A. So you have to write set A. 2, minus 2, 3. Again you have to write set A. 2, minus 2, 3. Here also the same thing. 2, 2, 2, minus 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 2 minus 2, 2, 3. Next one. Minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 3. Next one, 3, 2, 3, minus 2 and last 3, 3. So, last one B cross A. So, B cross A, here the first set is A. So, A set 1, minus 4 cross B set 1, minus 4 cross A set 2, minus 2, 3. So here I am going to say another method. You can use arrow diagram also for this. The first set 1, minus 4. The second set 2, minus 2, 3. Now you can write 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 3. So 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 3. Next one, minus 4, 2, minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, 3. So, minus 4, 2, minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, 3. So, if you are getting confused with this method, you can draw an arrow diagram and write like this. The next one, A equal to B equal to PQ. Here A set also PQ and B set also PQ. Both the set has same elements. So A cross B and B cross A will be equal here. So A cross B, first you have to find A cross B. So A set PQ cross B set PQ. So PP, PQ, QP, QQ. Next one A cross A. So again A cross A also PQ cross PQ. So here also you will get the same answer. PP, PQ, QP, QQ. The last one B cross A. So here also BPQ cross A also PQ. So same answer PP, PQ, QP, last QQ. Next third question, A set has M and N as element, B is null set, empty set which has no elements. So A cross B. A set you are having M, N. B set you are having null set. Whether it is possible to write in ordered pairs here? No. So you have to write A cross B and B cross A is not possible. What is the reason? Since B has no elements. Okay, you have to write the reason. So next you have to find A cross A. So what is A? M, N. Cross again M, N. So as usual you can find M, 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 N, N, M and N, N. Okay. Going to the second sum. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to X such that X is a prime number less than 10. Find A cross B and B cross A. Here A they have given directly in roster form 1, 2, 3. But B they have given in set builder form. So you have to convert this into roster form. So first set A you are having 1, 2, 3. B set you are having X such that X is a prime number which is less than 10. So prime number you know very well, it is divisible by itself alone. It won't come in other tables. So the prime number which is less than 10 are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So next you have to find A cross B and then B cross A. So A cross B, A set 1, 2, 3. Cross B set 2, 3, 5, 7. So now say 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Next 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Next one 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5 and 3, 7. Okay. Next what you have to find? B cross A. So what is B set? 2, 3, 5, 7. Cross A. What is A? 1, 2, 3. Now write 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Next 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Next 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. Next 7, 1, 7, 2, 7, 3. Okay. Next coming to the third sum. If B cross A equal to minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0, 3, 0, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. Find A and B. So usually in the first two sums we have seen they have given A and B. You have to find A cross B and B cross A. Now here they have given directly B cross A. From that you have to find what are the elements of A and B. So it is very simple. So they have given B cross A. So first is B. So the first coordinate are all A and the second coordinate are all B. So first they have given B cross A. So first write B. So B denotes set of all first coordinate of elements B cross A. Okay, wow. So you have to write the first element. What is the first element? Minus 2. Next 0. Next 3. So B set has what elements? Minus 2, 0 and 3. Next A. So A is set of all what element? Second element. Okay, wow. Set of all second coordinates of elements B cross A. Okay. So what are the second elements here? 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. So what are the elements? 3, 4. That's all. Okay, wow. B cross A means the first coordinate is B and the second coordinate is A. Okay. Next, coming to the fourth one. A set has 5, 6. B set has 4, 5, 6. C set has 5, 6, 7. You have to prove, show that A cross A equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. So you have to prove this one. LHS equal to RHS. Now we are going to find LHS first. So what is given? A set 5, 6. B set 4, 5, 6. C set 5, 6, 7. So first we are going to find LHS first. What is in the LHS? A cross A. It is very simple to find. What is A? 5, 6. Cross again A. 5, 6. Now you can easily write. What are the coordinates? 5, 5. 5, 6. 6, 5. 6, 6. So keep it as 1. And coming to the right hand side, what is the first in the right hand side? B cross B. You are having first bracket as B cross B. So find B cross B first. What is B? 4, 5, 6 cross 4, 5, 6. So now you can say 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Next one 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Next one 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. So we have found B cross B. What is in the another bracket? C cross C. Next you are going to find C cross C. What is C? 5, 6, 7. Cross 5, 6, 7. Now say the answer. 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7. 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7. Next 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7. So you have found B cross B and C cross C. What is next thing? Intersection. What is intersection? You have to write the common ordered pairs in B cross B and C cross D. Okay, by intersection means you have to write common in both the set. So B cross B intersection C cross C. So what are the ordered pairs common in B cross B and C cross C? First one 5, 5, 5, 5. So you will write 5, 5 first. What is next? 5, 6. Here also 5, 6. So 5, 6. What is next? 6, 5. Next 6, 6. So 6, 5, 6, 6. Do you find any other common thing in both the sets? No. So that's all. So keep it as 2. So you can notice in 1 we are having 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. In 2 also you are having same 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. So from 1 and 2 we can write LHS equal to RHS, which means A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. Okay.